अरे हुजूर वाहताज बोलिए. So this voice will be over forever. Ustad Zakir Hussain, a tabla master, one of the favorites of all time, one of the best of all time, is no more. He died in San Francisco. उनकी डेथ हो गई. And he was facing a disease जिसका नाम है idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. एक ऐसा डिजीज जिसका कोई सोल्यूशन नहीं था. And he died at a relatively younger age at 73. तो उस्ताद जाकिर हुसैन is a person who does not need any introduction. He has been a person who has illuminated the whole world by his success stories, by his efforts, by his skill, and by his artistic talent. Let's try to know about him. As a musician, he was born in 1951 and he died yesterday. He was a composer, tabla player, he was a music producer, he was a film actor as well. And he was also son of a famous legendary Allah Rakha. Normally आप देखिएगा तो first time he got an award in संगीत नाटक Academy Award in 1990. उसके बाद भी इनको सीरीज अवार्ड मिले, पद्मश्री, पद्म भूषण, पद्म विभूषण भी मिला. And in fact, recently he got Grammy in February 2024. A person with so much talent, with international repute, an Indian has made a mark in the whole world in the area of music. ये हैं अल्लाह रखा साहब, इनके ये बेटे थे. Similarly, his genre was Hindustani classical music, jazz fusion, and world music. Indian government ने भी इनको ऑनर किया था पद्मश्री in 1988. You can imagine as early as almost 46 years पहले इनको you can say that he got almost 36 years पहले इनको ये मिला. At a very young age of 35-36 he got this. पद्म भूषण 2002 में मिला, पद्म भूषण in 2023. Okay, the contribution of Ustad Zakir Hussain started as early as एज ऑफ 7. एज ऑफ 7 में इन्होंने इंटरनेशनल 12 तक तो ये इंटरनेशनल परफॉर्मेंसेस देने लगे थे पूरे वर्ल्ड में. ही accompanied his father and he was seen as a child prodigy all over the world. ओके, आइकॉनिक परफॉर्मेंस में इन्होंने रविशंकर, अली अकबर खान, शिव कुमार शर्मा के साथ इन्होंने काम किया and made his presence visible to the whole world. Similarly, ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग वर्क रहा वेस्टर्न म्यूजिशियन साथ यो मा, चार्ल्स लॉयड, बेला फ्लेक, Edgar Meyer, Mickey Hart, George Harrison, and he made sure that Indian classical music reaches to the international fora. And so he not only was there, he acted as an ambassador for the entire thing. Then his family, he was based in San Francisco. 4 decades पहले, for almost 40 years ago, he left India. He was living there, and he married Antonio Minocola, a Kathak dancer, a producer, and he has 2 daughters as well, Anisha Qureshi and Isabella Qureshi. So a tribute to the legend, a tribute to the work done by him, a tribute to the work done and also the legacy that has created, because we as people who were born in 80s, we are visibly moved by his talent. I still remember बच्चे जब थे हम लोग तो इनके एड्स देखते थे, इनके परफॉर्मेंसेस सुनते थे. He, as I mentioned, he acted in movies also. So we saw him and we always kind of adored him and kind of looked up to him for his talent. So maybe that is all for today. Thank you very much, and let's keep, maybe he's not with us anymore, but the legend will live on, his knowledge will live on, and the legacy is there. Thank you very much. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and be regular. Take care. God bless you. People who are interested in the civil service courses, you can reach out to our team and reach out to us. We'll help you in that. Thanks for watching. Good wishes. Take care. Bye.